Hi everyone, I'm Rahul Mangharam from the University of Pennsylvania. I serve as the Penn Director for the Safety21 Center over here. Our team is composed of folks from Penn Engineering, Penn Design, and practitioners that actually take us from research to design to deployment. And besides the Safety21 activity, we engage a lot with industry with over 100 industry members in our consortium and over 33 other academic institute members that use the same common autonomous vehicle platforms that we have, and over 90 university members in our community worldwide for the education systems that we develop here. So our research is focused generally on the area of safe autonomous systems, so developing AI-enabled perception, motion planning, and adaptive control. My team is focused on developing trustworthy autonomous systems from small scale to large units to scaling over thousands of multi-agent systems. We focus on the foundations of learning for optimization and distributed control, and several of our team develop these platforms, but also the theory behind them, and then engage with the community to deploy them. We use several mathematical techniques to bound and minimize the risk in using AI for safety critical systems in transportation and in automotive system development. Some of the engagement we have with the community is with RoboRacer. That's our foundation for building autonomous vehicles, and it's in over 90 universities worldwide. We've hosted over 9 competitions in the last year alone in Japan, Hong Kong, Korea, Canada, UAE, and students engaged with building the same platform, and then it's a battle of algorithms. And here's an example of a race. You can see there's a lot of engagement where students have developed all the software and the intelligence with these algorithms for the vehicles to push the limits of performance while being very safe. Just in the next couple of months, we'll have 6 more of these competitions, all backed by Safety21 and the DOT project. Then this is the way we can have the same autonomy stack in small scale to mid scale reference platforms to full scale vehicles. And we develop these electric vehicles and autonomous reference platforms right here on the campus. We engage with a lot of faculty worldwide, so all of our research gets into deployment, and there is a lot of impact through these engagements. And our reference platforms are recreated in Japan, in Korea, in Hungary, and in several parts of the US. And a lot of our focus is on developing these foundations that we can realize through these platforms. One very specific project that we work on is on Street Savvy. That's AI code designers for complete streets. And essentially, the idea here is to take real streets and to convert them very quickly in less than 2 hours into simulations where we can redesign them, come up with generative designs that have better performance, lower cost to deploy, and we can have safety evaluations on these. And this is under the umbrella of what the federal highway looks at as complete streets, where streets are not designed just for vehicles, but for all other entities that engage within our broader urban and transportation ecosystem. Currently, the streets are designed with very simple kind of systems like SketchUp systems, but like Street Mix. They provide some visualization, but no evaluation. And through our pipeline, we can actually now design alternate street designs that we can then introduce different safety aspects and evaluate these and automatically generate the buildings that surround these systems. And then through that, we can also now model the traffic for rush hour, for different behaviors over time and over, say, the course of 20, 30 years as traffic would evolve over these vehicles and these streets, and then evaluate what is the safety, what is the performance, how does congestion affect this, and so on. And then citizens can also engage by actually driving their vehicles with virtual reality inside of these redesigned streets to then provide a citizen vote on these redesigns. This is a very quick update on the Safety21 work that we are doing here at Penn, and we are very excited to show you some posters and demos later in the session today. Thank you.